Today I thought it would be so fun to show you guys everything I thrifted during the last month or so, most of which I didn't film. I actually took the month of January off to reset, recoup, and prepare for the year ahead. As luck would have it, I managed to find some of my most exciting finds to date when the camera wasn't rolling. Nonetheless, they were too good not to share with you guys. All right, first up is this IKEA chair that was priced at $44.99, and after the 25% only being $33.75. Guys, this thing was in perfect condition and has a removable slipcover, so I was able to inspect and confirm that this thing was a steal. When I looked up how much these sell for, I discovered they actually go for about $530. And just for fun, I wanted to see how much it would cost if I actually ordered this from IKEA and had it delivered to my house. So if we were to do that, it would actually end up being almost $600 to buy this chair and have it delivered to my house. I am so incredibly happy with this find and actually thrifted this on my actual birthday. It felt like a gift from Goodwill just for me. Next up is this Broyhill coffee table. I walked into Goodwill this day specifically looking for a coffee table, and when I didn't see anything I was really crazy about, an employee happened to come out and ask if I needed help. A few minutes later, wheels this guy out, and at $25, I knew it definitely had potential and felt like a great price. And as a bonus, there's plenty of storage that's able to hold all of our old family albums and pictures. All right, this next group of items actually came from our recent community garage sale, which I have to say ended up being such a successful trip for some awesome vintage finds, and I just love even more that it was right here in my own backyard. All right, starting with these pieces of artwork, each piece was only $5. Yeah, $5. I was definitely buzzing with excitement when my sister snapped this picture of me. I ended up leaving with a total of 5 pieces from this one stop. One of my favorites definitely has to be these 2-frame Victorian prints. I just love the red velvet matting and thought they looked so cute in our kitchen. It's just crazy to me how a piece of artwork can completely change the feeling in a room. I also thought this signed vintage oil painting was especially beautiful. The coloring in the sky is so lifelike, and I knew this nature scene would end up being a gorgeous addition to just about any room in our home. I won't spend a lot of time on the rest of these, but I thought each piece was just individually so beautiful and well worth the $5. How beautiful is this mid-century wooden jewelry chest? I'm sure you guys could guess how much I love the hand-painted florals. It's really just so pretty. The brass hardware is exactly my style, and at only $5, such a find. I love it so much, and I'll have no problem putting it right to use. Keeping with our jewelry theme, I found this vintage crystal ring holder for $1. My daughter Faith actually requested I keep an eye out for something fun she could keep her guitar picks in, and this fit the bill perfectly. Faith has been working really hard at learning the guitar, and we've just loved listening to her. It's amazing to me how much better she gets every day. On another Goodwill visit, I noticed an employee just setting out this Ethan Allen vintage pedestal table for only $11.99. It's from their early American line made with solid maple and birch. I just love the floral stenciling and the gold painted details. According to Google, these sell anywhere from $300 to $750 resale. I couldn't imagine paying that much for it, but I love this piece and I have no doubt I'll continue to enjoy it for years to come. A couple smaller but really fun finds was this vintage pillow for $1.50 that washed up just perfectly, that I thought was just a beautiful pop of pattern to add to our living room, and also happened to coordinate really well with our rug, as well as this dark wood vintage magazine rack. I believe I paid $5.99 for that one. I thought the contrast right next to our new chair worked out so great. Next up, our buddy Hunter got an upgrade after a recent Goodwill trip. I found this really high-end pillow with a removable cover for only $10 in like new condition. We usually end up spending about $40 on Hunter's pillows, so I'll definitely be keeping an eye out for these larger pillows in the future. It's such a beautiful and practical item and just so much cheaper. He also ended up with this new toy basket because for some reason we can't stop buying him toys. You guys, I am so excited for how this corner's coming together. I just have always loved my fireplace. I'm actually looking for a new color to paint it, so if you guys have any suggestions, the color on our walls is actually Benjamin Moore Swiss Coffee. Here's a couple of the ideas that I've had. If you guys have any suggestions or input here that would help me make this decision a little bit easier, I would definitely appreciate it. I'd love to know you guys' thoughts on how you like this type of a thrift haul video. more of a show and tell versus a thrift with me. It definitely helps me know what type of content to create for you guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you don't miss the next upload. I hope you guys have a blessed week, and I'll see you next time. Next, oh my gosh, okay. So I about to punch something. No. This, oh my gosh. Just for me. That was so lame. It's fine, it's not you, it's me. All right, we're gonna move on to the dog bed. Okay. I found this really high-end filling. I found this really high-end filling pillow, okay. I would love, Benjamin Moore. Oh my God.